Yes.
I have a question for Mr. Lee. I see that you have been found application for your product. Is that
We have found applications.
So how do you deal with like limitations? What's your reason?
Well, we have design patents with patents. It depends on what which product we're talking about. But honestly, in China, these patents,
Mr. Ryan, would you mind this is recorded? So. We have a few PRCs in our audience.
I'm sure they understand. I think the difficult part about China is even if you do enforce it, okay, like when we started, we were quite angry that a lot of people were talking about us. So we tried suing, and we realized that it takes us a certain amount of money to sue even anybody. Right?
This is what I teach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too much money.
It's too much money, exactly. So it's better to take your money and just invest in a new product.
Exactly what I said, right?
Yeah.
That's something that I want to share. When I was in Hong Kong, we were talking about how to have all this music, because we're talking about digital media and all that. So why does Hong Kong allow for all these shops to still grow? And the singers and all that, they just tell us, when we talk to this entertainment group, they say that they help us to spread the word because that is increasing the fan population, right? So you have to have counterfeit as well. Yeah, because if you sell all legitimate and all that, your base will be small. So that's something that I learned from the market.
So you start to jailbreak and you start to do all sorts of funny things to your software. Don't think that you don't know. They know and probably want you to do it. That's the reason for it. I'm honest. There's a reason for people deliberately giving you a gate into their software so that you can use it illegally.
Actually, we also do protect our technology. Like we code our IC chips. So if someone takes our drivers, our speakers, and want to take it apart and reverse engineer it, it's going to take them 9 months, 1 year to reverse engineer the IC chips. So on top of that, they still have to reverse engineer the driver. And the driver we get, it's customized driver, so you can't get it off the shelf. You have to get it from one single manufacturer, which is ours. Or we buy like a few 100,000 of this drivers. So the temptation for this guy to sell the drivers to anybody else is very low. So we have that very strict policy with that contract manufacturer that we find one of these drivers anywhere else in the world, we can immediately sue for a certain amount. And on top of that, since we source for all the other separate components together, it's very hard for the assembly manufacturer to copy our products as well. So we do things on the supply side so that we can prevent people from representing or copying the product or do exactly or do similar. And by the time they copy in front and it does sell in front, the sound will have some drastic difference. So the sound is what we're trying to protect, not really the design at all.
Okay, with that, we've come to the end of our question and answer session, but please feel free to raise your questions to our distinguished speakers during the interaction sessions during the reception, right? Once again, let's thank Ms. Leong and Mr. Ran. Professor Lee, could you please give a bit of appreciation to Ms. Leong? And to Mr. Ryan Lee as well. We would like to invite our guests to head over to the reception and begin. The rest of you can commence after they've had their food. Alright, thank you one and all for coming down today. We hope you had a good session with the Technology and World Change Summit 2010. Have a good evening.